He is an inventor. He has 35 patents to his credit. Let's see what Inventor Ramendralal Mukherjee is working on right now.
I have made this spectroscope for you. You can analyze any type of light using this spectroscope.
Spectroscopes are standard instruments in college physics labs. In an optical spectroscope, visible light is dispersed into its components. The spectrum bears information on the source of light, which may be terrestrial or celestial. Composition and temperature of distant stars have been found by studying their spectra. You can make a simple pocket spectroscope for yourself. It will cost you less than 10 rupees. The key ingredient is a spoiled CD or DVD, which you can cut up into a number of strips. The superfine hills and dales on the DVD will break up the light into its components. You can go around with the spectroscope analyzing all kinds of light. Did you like what you saw? Very soon in Pop Steam Talk Show, we will learn to make a spectroscope for ourselves. Watch out!